Quick reading for February the 5th to February the 6th, Pisces. So we have the Page of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Marami tayong pabago-bagong ginagawa, no? Siguro ito yung part na dapat alam natin kung saan tayo mag-stop, no? Kasi the reason bakit natin ginagawa yung mga bagay na paiba-iba is for us to get a satisfaction, no? For us to feel satisfied. It felt like kapag na-feel na natin itong satisfaction, we need to stop in there, no? Ngayon, kung maganda na yung resulta, so far, at least for this day, wag na natin i-reach yung pinaka-max, at least for this day lang, no? Kasi baka mamaya masobrahan tayo at mag-fail pa. Ngayon, kung hindi naman siya maganda, that's where is yung actions natin. Kailangan i-reach naman natin, no? Dagdagan natin. Maraming nagbabago dito eh. Maraming mabibilis, no? Sandali lang naman itong part ng mga changes na ito. At yung changes na sinasabi ko, dapat meron din tayong binabago din, no? Sa sarili natin. Para at least si person, nakikita din niya na it is a team, no? This is your quick reading, Pisces, for February the 5th to February the 6th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.